Okay, the artisans are at it again. I've been in the booth. Got Tim's frame painted. It's going out tomorrow. It'll be all dry. And the boys showed up. Daryl, man, he had a tough day today. I hope you all follow the daily dose of Daryl. He got him a kidney stone or something, boy. He was in pain this morning. But here we go. This one's fixing to go home. We're gonna drive it around?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Bay is assessing. Are you assessing?
Assessing, that's right. Going through to see what all we've got.
This is Dan's car. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make Dan either name his car or we're gonna name it.
Yeah, named it yet?
And since we'll have a name tonight, he probably won't get to see the video, so you need to name it. You gonna name this car? Stay tuned. It'll have a name tonight. Oh, we're thinking.
I'll come up with something.
Okay, good. We're gonna have a name. And then unless you want to supersede it, Dan, it'll be the name. And we've named a couple that stuck actually. So
I'll try to do good then.
so you're gonna be the wiring dude. You're gonna get it wired.
Yes.
Oh, on the Phantom Pete, he needs a picture of the bottom of the seats. They make two different plugs for those fancy seats.
Okay.
So we'll do that tonight. So Ed, old fast Eddie, he kind of laid out and bench did the wiring harness.
Yeah.
So now we take it out of here, put it into here.
Yep.
You got that the brake thing.
What's that?
You got the brake thing. You just
Yeah.
got everything.
Oh yeah, got everything. So we'll get it all
So get a
get
plan.
it laid out and figure out where to start with it.
All right.
Yeah. Looking forward to it.
And I got everything painted. So once we get to putting together, we should be good to go.
That's right.
Get the
See how
headlights
much
on
we can
here.
Get done tonight. Yeah.
I don't know what we're gonna do with headlights. I have to think about that. Cause it don't get fenders.
Oh, this one doesn't get fenders. Okay.
So we're gonna have to come up with something.
Yeah, it could be something else.
All right, so let's see how this progresses tonight.
Yeah.
Hi.
Not yet. Now you can say hi.
Hi.
This is it. So you spent the day. You probably called how many customers today?
Quite a few.
Quite a few.
Yes, even some old ones.
Even some old ones.
Yes.
So
Touched
now-
base with them and said hey and
Deanna.
let them know I'm here so that no call will go unanswered.
No call will go unanswered.
And
Yes.
that's a pretty big claim, but that's my mission.
Well, good. So here's the office. So you walk in the door, right here, and the first thing you see is a smiling face. There it is.
That's right. That's right.
And you already said you want to paint your office.
Yes, the purplish gray.
A purplish gray.
Yes.
Well,
Can't
good.
be serious with this light blue. It's more like, I don't know, more youngish, more business-like.
So
Yeah.
are you done doing this work, or are you?
I am going to run up the time cards to Josh, and Josh would like you to call him.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and I'm wrapping it up, and I'm making notes on who to call tomorrow.
So this is the end of my day.
Yes.
The beginning of my hot rodding now.
Yeah, yeah.
All day long. It's got to rush all day. Getting everybody going and doing.
That's right. So Bob can go
Well,
feed the chickens and tend to the goats.
no, I'm working tonight with the boys.
Yes, he is.
But
Yeah.
we have a priority. You know what our priority is? What's our priority?
To make dreams come true.
No, to get the popcorn machine up here.
Oh, yeah.
And have popcorn up here tonight.
No, don't tell him that's a priority.
Like now. Like right now.
Like right now,
I'll
let's
go talk to Josh. So he's
Okay.
up there and I'll talk to
We're
him.
gonna get the popcorn machine.
Yeah.
That's another one of my jobs, make popcorn. I got all kinds of jobs here.
Yep.
Popcorn.
All right. Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Hey, and it's
yum.
perfect. It came from the old drive-in.
Yeah.
There ain't no old drive-in anymore. That's long gone.
They
But
should bring those back.
well, we got a start of it. We got the popcorn machine
Well,
from the
let's
old
go
drive-in.
Get some
So-
land, put a big screen up. There we go.
So all right, you got to drive careful because
Okay, definitely. And then we could watch Spirit Follies on it. Spirit Follies?
the spirit
big
fall.
screen?
Oh yeah.
Bloopers? That's what you should have as a blooper tape, blooper reel.
Golly.
Not of me though.
You'll be the easiest. All right, I will meet you over there. Hopefully, I'm
Okay.
not picking this up from behind you.
Okay.
So I know everybody's worried that we won't have popcorn for the Christmas parade this year, but no, we still have a popcorn machine at the old diner. So I'm not sure when the Christmas parade and flipping is, but we're ready. Popcorn at Trinity and popcorn at Spirit. I'm pretty excited. Okay, Gibby putting the final set of eyes on the tribute car. This is Bill's car, all done and clean. So we found something that we didn't like. You did. That was not chrome. Evidently, when that got put on way back when, we didn't have chrome ones. So this is what we got. That's just not acceptable. That wasn't acceptable for Gibby.
Was not acceptable.
Was not acceptable. So there we go. More better. And just going over everything one last time, so it worked out really well. And then we actually had a leak on one of the hoses on the transmission line, so he's taking care of that. We noticed it was parked here for the day and had a couple leaks. So we pushed it forward and figured that out and got that taken care of, or in the middle of. And Gibby hasn't driven a Spirit car yet, so he might be kind of excited to drive it. So I told him we can take it up and down the road a bit, and then we'll do a video of all the gauges working and the lights working and everything like that when we're done. So you're pretty close to driving it, right?
I'm so close.
As soon as I figure out how to put a little flare on these
On my
the
transmission
lines, yeah. All right. Hey, and the popcorn machine's working. You know that?
I had a bag already.
Oh yeah.
I'll sit there, I'll eat that stuff all day long.
So your wife, I told her this morning, the honeymoon must never end, right?
Right.
Because she moved in, and it's like usually you got somebody new at the honeymoon period, a couple weeks,
Yeah.
and then they're like, no, she's like full speed. You're moving her up, and she's asking, shouldn't she paint the office?
I know, she told me the expression.
I kind
on
of
her
look at her
face.
like, yeah, okay, you're
What do you
fine.
mean, paint the office? She's
I
like,
had no
"Oh,
idea
yeah."
what she was talking about, so that
She
was
said
kind of.
once she said that she found paint in the Trinity building that you were like, oh yeah, free paint? Yeah, we can do that.
Well, I was like, God dang, I got to run to Lowe's. I got better things to do, and
yeah.
the
she
paint
wants
is
to
fine in
paint.
the office anyway. But now it's like a custom hot
Oh
rod
yeah,
office.
did you see what she's doing
I've
in
seen
there?
that, yeah.
You gotta take a video of that.
I did already.
Oh,
I
you?
did.
You've been there, okay.
So she may get us busted on the whole video because she had the music playing, so we may get a copyright strike, but who knows?
Who knows?
Thing and do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm thinking, oh, you must have found the vacuum.
Yes, I did.
So we have gauges in
The gauge is in.
and a plan, a strategy.
Yes.
You know, I didn't look at the paperwork. I don't know if we get AC or not. Surely he does.
Well, according to that paperwork on that clipboard, it does.
Okay, so I better get that. Well, man, I got a red Pro Street 34 under there. The first AC unit comes in. We need to finish that one.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll get that ordered.
Well, I think I came up with a name.
Okay, so what do we got? What do we got?
Well, seeing how it's more like an army green, I'm kind of thinking the Colonel.
The Colonel. Ah, I like it. The Colonel.
Yeah.
That's perfect for Dan too.
Is it?
It is perfect for Dan.
Well,
The
hopefully he
Colonel.
likes it, you know.
The Colonel. I'm going to go in the office and write that on the wall so I don't forget. So it's the Colonel.
The Colonel, yeah. I feel like it fits it.
It does fit it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I better.
Yeah, it's coming along decent though. You know, start getting the
I tell you what,
engine harness laid out a little better, how I'm going to want to route it, and
Did you take a picture, a video of them gauges, how they are?
Yeah.
They're like little arrows in there, like compass arrows.
Mhm.
Yeah,
I mean, it's so slick that all of them are in the 1 3-inch, like the
Yep.
Speedo. I mean, that is just,
that's a clean look. I like
yeah. I'm impressed.
So it's getting there.
it. It is. Come on, goodness.
Black, there we go.
All right. So Deanna and Gibby going on their first ride together in a Spirit T-Bucket. This is Bill's tribute car to Frank. So we've already driven a bit. I had Gibby put his eyes on it tonight, so he's been on, changed a couple bolts he didn't like, put different bolts in it, and made sure things were tight. And checked everything. That's not going to be the wheels and tires that get. Bill's got some wheels and tires he'll put on when he gets home. So off into the night. hear them coming back. Maybe they're, oh no, they're coming back. I don't see any blue lights following them, so that's a good thing. Oh, headlights are working. Hit the high beam.
That's low beam.
Okay, high beam, low beam. Okay, high beam, low beams are working. Brakes are working, right?
Yeah.
Put the turn signals on. All right, other side. Left. Put the left turn signal on. Okay. You got them in here? Okay, yeah, there we go.
Here's a high beam left indicator.
High beam
Oh, and
indicator.
he wants a video how to get to the battery.
That works.
Show that.
Back is working.
Yeah,
Fuel
everything.
almost out. Got pulse is going. Good old pressure, 40 pounds.
Yeah.
That's good. Did it go up to about what about 180 and go down then, or
What the?
water temp?
I didn't even pay attention. It was just right there.
Bill wants to know how to get to the battery and all that good stuff.
You got about 60 up on oil pressure. Eddie said when he drove it, it got up to about 180, opened up and went down a little bit. So there we go. Ready to go home. Clean it up one more time again tomorrow, and that'll be that.
All right.
I'm digging this.
Okay.
Are we rolling?
I guess we're rolling. I guess you guys have moved in, huh?
Yeah, I tell you what.
Tuesdays
Tuesdays
and so we got the. I was really hoping you'd have this plan.
I didn't do it yet. I mean, I was painting my butt off.
Well, you're painting. Yeah, you were painting, but you could be watching some kind of spirit video up
We
there.
could.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would
But
be awesome.
He has Wi-Fi router, so we just hook up our phone to the router and we could be watching our own videos.
Yeah.
Really?
So
Stay
I'd say
tuned.
it was a successful evening.
Yes, it was.
We got the
Yes.
popcorn machine up here finally.
Finally.
All is well.
All is well. The popcorn machine's
Yes.
here.
So that's it. So
You
can
know-
you stay away till Thursday now, or are you gonna
I
have to be
don't know.
back to?
I might have to come back tomorrow night.
Oops. Might have to.
Yeah.
Never know.
No, no.
No
I
way.
can do 2 hot rod nights a week.
Oh,
You
Bob,
just
you
don't.
don't have to come.
Yeah, you know.
But it's too fun. I'm having too much fun. It's like hot
Yeah, I
rod hangout. We're hanging out around
You
the
know,
hot rod shop.
It
We'll be
was
coming back and we'll be doing the wrong hot rod.
working on that car was helped me a bunch. I got to see a fully complete
Yep.
go over the bolts and
Yeah.
found a couple.
Went
Yep.
for a ride.
You got to go for your
Got-
first ride,
Yeah.
so
First
you kind of
ever
had the
ride.
date. You had a
Now I
date
really
night.
want
Yeah,
one.
this is awesome,
Yes.
huh?
Now we really want one.
It really helped me a bunch, though. I mean, just all the wirings in it. It's a complete car.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm getting so excited. I think I might want to build a hot rod.
You know
someday.
what?
Right?
I got one
Right?
clicking in my head how I want my mirrors and everything already.
He's like, oh, I like this windshield. This windshield's good.
All right. Well, I've had enough. I'm ready to go
Yes.
home.
Yes, we are too.
Boy, what's
Stavros, enjoy your car.
What's
Yeah.
it, like 11 o'clock
Enjoy your
already?
vehicle.
Yes.
It is so nice, that hot rod. Very nice.
That's a tribute car to his brother-in-law Frank.
Oh,
Who
okay.
passed.
nice.
He had some
In memory of.
physical issues. I'm not sure what all, but anyway.
That's cool.
Nice
So,
car.
there we
That's
go.
Very nice. All right, Stavros,
All right.
enjoy your car, and we'll enjoy the
let's-
popcorn machine.
Yeah.
Yes.